And there you go, guys. I've added my Uber Eats promo code, and it's added 82 Great British pounds, which is $100 in today's conversion, to my Uber Eats wallet. And I can then go ahead and spend this on anything. So let me show you guys how to get your Uber Eats promo code. So let's get into the tutorial. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And I am basically making this video today to show you guys the best Uber Eats promo codes. Now, if you're like me, you're not a millionaire, and you can't afford to purchase Uber Eats food because they're super expensive. I mean, you're paying almost double the price for anything you order from Uber Eats. And I searched for weeks trying to find it available and working discount codes and promo codes. And these I'm going to show you today are by far the best codes that I've discovered. This is going to get you at least $100 of free Uber Eats account credit. And it's super easy, guys. So I'm decided to make a tutorial, and I'm going to show you today how you can go and get your Uber Eats promo codes. So let me record my mobile phone screen. I'll be putting the recording here, guys. So make sure you follow along. And it's pretty easy, but yeah, you just need to make sure you follow the instructions. So you need to type this website, guys. You need to go to this website, basically, www.speedycoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, because you need to go to Speedy Coupons. And you're looking for this website, basically, guys. Now, this website is awesome. Pretty self-explanatory. They specialize in providing you coupon codes for pretty much everything you could want. And we need to look for the Uber Eats page. So there is a search bar, as you can see at the top here. So click in that and just type in Uber. And obviously you've got the original, the Uber traveling one, but we were interested in the Uber Eats promo codes. So tap on that page there and scroll down. Now there is a couple of different codes that you can choose between. There is a $100 Uber Eats account credit code, like I mentioned, and there is also get your next 3 food orders for free. So essentially, guys, you just need to select which one you want. So for me, I prefer doing the $100 account credit, because basically that will just add a $100 balance to your account, and you can spend it however you want, whereas the free food orders is obviously only limited to your next 3 orders. So I'm going to click Show Coupon. And you can see here, guys, we need to basically unlock the code. You can see the code has some stars. Basically, it's been blocked out. Essentially, it just protects the codes to ensure robots don't come on and just steal all of the codes. So all you have to do, guys, I won't do it because I don't need a code, and I'll save them for everyone else. But you just need to tap the Unlock Code button and then follow the instructions on the next page. And it only takes around 3 to 5 minutes if you follow the instructions carefully. And yeah, it's going to unlock your Uber Eats promo code. So yeah, that is it, guys. Make sure you just follow these instructions carefully. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll try and help out. But yeah, pretty easy. And these are by far the best promo codes that you're going to find. So hey, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead, give this a go, and enjoy your free Uber Eats food and credit. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.